Hi guys, it's Mrs. Oliver again, and I just wanted to show you what your history assignment will look like. This is for week 1, and I'm probably going to use this a lot. Um, but for the first week, I just want you staying up to date with current events during this historical time by watching 2 of our favorite programs. So our 10-minute CNN 10 and then our Kid News podcast. So when you click on the Google link, this will come up, and some things you can click in, some things you cannot. So that's what I'm going to explain to you here. So you will open this up and it shows you what to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's the same thing every day. You're going to watch CNN 10 and then Kid News. And then down here at the bottom, you'll let me know if you liked it or not. So up at the top here, it says type your name here. That's where you can double click and highlight and then type in your name. And then down here, when you click on this link, it takes you right to CNN 10 for the day, and you click on it and you watch it. Then you can go down here and click Kid News, and it will take you to the episodes. And make sure you click on the right episode for the right day. That way you're not listening to the same one over and over. And then down at the bottom, all it says is, did you like today's news? So you will double click in this text box and you will write yes or no. And if you wanted to type even more and let me know I loved it or my favorite part was, and then keep on typing, you can. It's up to you. But all you have to do there is put in a yes or a no to let me know if you liked it or not. So continue every day watching our favorite news programs, and I hope you enjoy them and stay up to date. As a reminder, after you click things in here, you type your name, you type yes or no in each of these boxes, it automatically saves for you. Each student gets their own copy of this, and at the end of the week, once you've typed yes or no for each day, you will submit your work at the end of the week inside of Google Classroom. I believe the button says turn in, and I think it's like a blue or a blue-green color. Once you turn this in, you will get your credit for the week.